Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a fried tofu. It's really good, yummy, not too much oil, it doesn't absorb a lot of oil, so we'll show you. I got a firm tofu, not a soft one, but firm, even extra firm, it's good too. So open up, take the water out, squeeze a little bit of the water, just a little. Use a paper towel. That's good enough. Cut it. This way, and I like to cut it this way. It's really yummy. You're gonna love it. By the time I cut it, I warm up my pan. Put oil. About a half a cup. My pan is just big, so I need more oil. Cornstarch, it's about 3 tablespoons. If you need more, you take more. But a little black pepper, like a half teaspoon, that's enough. And each piece of the tofu, you dip it with a cornstarch, shake it up, just like this, and put in a pan to fry it up. Another one. Dip it. Not too much cornstarch. Fry it till it gets brown on one side and turn over on the other side to get nice and brown, light brown, not too dark. Then I show you when it gets brown and time to turn over. I'll show it to you. Put everything here. Here you go. Hi. After about 3 to 4 minutes, you turn over. It doesn't have to be very brown, just a little bit. Turn them over another 3-4 minutes. Medium high. You have to use a non-stick pan. Okay, got brown both sides, light brown. Take them out. You didn't absorb a lot of oil, hardly. Take them all out. Put them in a bowl. And we're going to take the oil out. We don't need the oil. It's crunchy. That's how it's supposed to be. Crunchy from outside and soft inside. Yummy, yum. We're not done yet. Okay. I'm going to take the oil out very carefully. Hold on. Take the oil out. We don't need the oil. Put it back. Let's move it. We don't need this oil. Now, about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. You can find it everywhere, any kind of chili sweet sauce. About 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. You taste it, you see if you need more. And like a teeny of, like a 1 tablespoon of water. Let the bubble, that's good. Taste it. If you want it more sweet, just add the sweet chili sauce. You want it more salty, add a little soy sauce. Not too much. I like it that way. Salty, sweet, spicy. You put the tofu and mix it up. Excuse me. The soy sauce, the soy, they like to use tamari. I think it's the best. And the tofu absorb in all the sauce and then it's ready. You can do it a little high. Not too high, a little high. Like 1 minute, minute and a half. No more than that. Smells good. I think it's ready. No more sauce in a pan. And the tofu is ready. You're gonna love it. Good luck making it. And we'll see you next time.